Hi, my name is Jared and I'm a technical support engineer here at Hawk Ridge Systems. This video covers how to create variants in SOLIDWORKS PCB. A variant in SOLIDWORKS PCB is the equivalent to a new configuration in SOLIDWORKS 3D once the 2D design has been pushed to the 3D environment. To create a variant, I've got a schematic open here, Project tab, and Variants. Once the variant dialog is open, we can select Add Variant. You can give it a custom name, or if you'd like to add additional parameters, you can do that as well. We'll just say OK to the creation of the new variant, and as you'll notice, we get a new column. Selecting in a given cell gives us the 3-dot selection box, where we have our three options. Fitted, meaning the component is placed on the board. Not fitted, meaning the component is not placed on the board. An alternate part, which means an alternate component would be placed on the board. For this example, we'll use the not fitted option and set that for our first couple capacitors in the list. Once you've configured the variant to your liking, you can select OK. And at first it doesn't appear that anything has changed. However, if we go to the current variant drop-down, notice that we have a new variant. We can select that variant and then select on our Project Schematic tab in order to display the red X placed when using the Not Fitted option. In order to go to the 3D, we can go to our PCB document, View tab, and push the design to SOLIDWORKS. Once the design has successfully pushed, we can bring up SOLIDWORKS and pull in our board. Once the board has been fully generated, we can zoom in and notice that C1, C2, and C3 are all placed, as this is the default configuration, which again is equivalent to the no variant setting in SOLIDWORKS PCB. Going to our configuration tab, you'll notice we do have a second configuration that is our SOLIDWORKS PCB variant. Double-clicking on that configuration, you'll notice that the capacitors are no longer placed in the model. I hope this video has been helpful in outlining how to create variants in SOLIDWORKS PCB. Thank you for watching, and please feel free to subscribe to our YouTube channel and visit our website at www.hawkridgesys.com for more knowledge-based material.